If you use AI a lot in your workflow, you know one of the most important things is the prompts that you're using. And if you've been reading the RightBlogger blog and getting our emails, you know we always share prompts for different use cases, and we've realized that a lot of people actually want to save those prompts and use them, of course. You can see here, we have an example. We're on a ChatGPT prompts for writing. And as you scroll through the article, we have prompts. You can copy them by clicking this and use them in ChatGPT. And you can also hit use in RightBlogger, which will actually bring it over to RightBlogger chat. But one thing people were asking for is actually an easy way to access all of these prompts. So we've made an easy way to access all of the prompts in all of our blog posts using the prompt library. So you can see here, I'm on RightBlogger chat already. If you're a RightBlogger subscriber, you'll have access to this. And you can see we have a button here called the prompt library. And we have our saved prompts. So if you like a prompt that you actually made, you can save it here and reuse it anytime. And we've actually broken everything out from our own catalog into these categories. So for example, writing, SEO, content, social media, just everything from our blog is here so you can easily access it. For example, this keyword clustering one, let's use this one. You can see we have a title for it and it actually shows the prompt so you know what it's actually going to do. So let me click that one. Create a keyword cluster. Of course, we have a keyword cluster tool that works a little bit better than this, but this is a great way if you're using chat and don't want to leave this tool. And all of the variables, you can just click once and you can see it automatically highlights. So let me do this for photography since I have a photography blog, and I'm going to hit send. And this will send the chat off. And within a couple seconds, you should see that we're actually making the cluster here. First, it's actually looking at my knowledge library. I guess it thought that was relevant. And it broke everything out here into categories. So different types of photography, different photography basics. And since it's a chat-based tool, of course, you can just follow up, give me more options about photography tutorials. And of course, with chat, it understands the context of what you're talking about. So it knows that you want another keyword cluster. Just overall, a great example. And if you want to save any prompts, you can just go over here and click Save Prompt. Just hover over a message that you've sent, and that'll let you save it to your own prompt library. Definitely let us know if you like the feature, and if you want to see us add different prompts there or different use cases that we don't cover. We definitely want to have this built out to have tons of great useful prompts for you. So check it out in RightBlogger chat. Thanks for watching.